will be making baits deep fry. These are the very nice, very nutritious, very tasty bait. It is being deep fried, looking great. That is the fried bait, beautifully colored, very nice, crispy and crunchy. What I have is the very tiny white bait. You also have the colored bait too. So we have deep fried it and look very colorful, very nice, and we are having with the pineapple. So take one of these and take one pineapple pieces. Super, sweet and crunchy. Thank you very much for watching this channel. I appreciate your subscription to our YouTube channel. Thank you.